Welcome to the Sunny Heat video tutorials. This tutorial is about the operating modes. What are the operating modes? The operating modes define how the Sunny Heat infrared heater should work. Where can I find the operating modes? The operating modes can be found by tapping the operating mode button. Tapping on the respective operating mode selects the operating mode. The selected operating mode is marked with a tick. What is the automatic mode? In the automatic mode, Sunny Heat automatically adjusts to the set point temperature, taking into account the settings in the menu. Automatic is the default operating mode of all Sunny Heat infrared heaters. Pressing the back button once takes you back to the main display. What is the rapid warm-up mode? In the rapid warm-up mode, the Sunny Heat infrared heater heats for 30 minutes with the set maximum surface temperature and the set maximum heating power without taking the set point temperature into account. This mode is intended to heat a room quickly for a short time, such as in the bathroom when taking a shower. If the rapid warm-up mode is selected, the rapid warm-up symbol appears on the main display. If the frost protection is activated, the frost protection mode is available. In the frost protection mode, the infrared heater heats to the set point temperature for frost protection. More detailed information about frost protection can be found in our video tutorial about frost protection. If the frost protection mode is selected, the frost protection symbol appears on the main display and the set point temperature changes to the set point temperature for frost protection. What is the flight mode? In flight mode, the Sunny Heat infrared heater is switched off, but the thermostat remains on. You can then continue to use the EcoControl thermostat for time and date. For example, in summer, if you have selected the flight mode symbol appears on the main display. In this tutorial, the operating modes automatic, rapid warm-up, frost protection and flight mode were explained. We have now come to the end of this tutorial. The Cree Systems team says thank you for listening. More information about Sunny Heat is available at sunnyheat.com.